On this side, Bernie.
That's enough here.
There, on that side. Okay. Okay. Which one?
So we'll set up in
Here?
here?
Oh, in this spot?
That's
Okay
perfect.
then. Let's set up then.
So are you gonna set up first?
I think it will be the tarp.
Oh. You mean this tarp or the ground tarp?
Yeah, that tarp. Let me find
Right.
the pole. You know where's the pole?
No.
Oh, this one. I found it.
Got it opened up.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, Bernie. Let me teach you how to set this one up.
Okay.
So you need to put this one in there. You have it?
Got it.
And then just have a one loop. Okay?
Yeah.
And then this
Yeah.
and get one loop again.
Wait. Where?
Just another loop. If I will pull this, it's gonna release it.
Good
See,
for
it's
you.
easy to remove.
Can you double check
Let me,
mine?
I'll double check yours. Let me just get the pegs, okay?
Okay. No, your
Oops.
feet.
Let's get the
Okay.
pegs. With the rope.
Yeah. Are you
Yep.
there?
Come on.
Did you get? Give me a moment.
Yep.
You got it?
I got it. I'm gonna tie it here. No? Like here.
I don't know how this is gonna end up. So.
Can you support the other one? Yeah, pull it. Okay, I'll put this one in here, Bernie, okay?
We need to pull this peg out.
Yeah.
Tarp situation.
We'll do the tent now.
Yeah. Is this just a square?
Uh-huh.
We don't need that, do we?
We need this. Let's assemble this.
Oh,
Uh-huh. Let me pack this in here. Inside.
I need to go inside as well. A little bit. Then I'll go inside.
Okay.
Is it
The
still
new
brand new?
age. No.
Modern?
Goodness, do you know how old is this tent?
I
Maybe
just
11 or 12.
Honey,
What?
I say it's more, no?
More? I don't know.
Is
I
it
can't
not
remember. I can't
13
remember.
or 14?
14 years.
It served us really well.
Uh-huh.
Should we set up the shelf now?
Yeah, yeah. For the kitchen, yeah. Okay. You know what to call it. Okay.
And I leave that to you. I
You
can
don't know
do
how
with
to do
this.
it?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Can you hold this one for me?
That much I can help you with.
Mm-hmm. Put this one here. In here?
For now. Yeah,
Right here?
why not? Is it thingy?
Oh,
You
okay.
need something. you help me, babe?
No. Oh, can you put in there?
Oh la la, watch out.
Okay. Let's try. Let's try.
So you're chilling while I'm working.
Let me help you. I'll help you. Try. This one.
Oh,
Okay.
I need this. What I'm gonna do for you is
What's that bottle?
that bottle. It's look funny, but I'm just gonna put some coffee inside the bottle.
Okay.
Some
And
sugar.
then?
Would you be able to put some water there
Water.
for me? Not too much.
Oops.
Enough.
Enough?
Just a little one.
Oh no. Did I mess it up?
That's a lot of water.
Oh no.
We need to put it out, no?
I thought.
Let's try this, okay? I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. We are going to
Shake
shake
it.
this like mad, like literally mad. So more bubbles can come.
Oh, okay.
So it's not gonna be as frothy. Let's give it a try. But how is the?
It's nice.
Can I
Oh.
give it a try?
Oh, it's so nice, Bernie.
Yes,
Let me set up the
good
table,
idea.
Bernie. That's nice, Bernie.
Oh, I love it. It's better than just normal cappuccino, no?
Yeah. I
Or
don't
it's
know.
just instant coffee.
I'm not a fan of coffee.
I'm not fun, but I might be after this.
Okay. Oops. Need bigger than that.
It's supposed to be the orange.
Yeah. Like this.
Go until the very end, no?
No.
You don't?
Like that, no?
Okay, well, what can I say? And then how about in here?
Are you telling me that I need to put in there?
And
I can't
how
even,
about what do you
I can't even reach it. I need to put
There's more trouble in here.
what?
This one. Because we can't hang it
Oh,
up.
we need
A stick. A stick
A
from
stick.
the floor.
exactly. That's what I told you before, no?
I did not. I've just seen it. You did not tell me. I've just literally seen it.
You just seen it.
Okay, then I'm going to look for a stick.
Okay, look for a stick then. Let me set up the.
Get some butter and
Okay, should I get this pan? Okay.
and plenty.
Got more garlic?
Yeah.
Nice.
Any left?
That's
Lovely.
good. What, the mushroom now?
Or we can.
Okay,
Ton of mushrooms coming.
nice. What, we're gonna add tomatoes in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Let's add some paprika as well.
let's put this one now.
And then the spinach.
Some spinach.
Mm-hmm.
Not all of it.
All of it, honey.
All
This
of
is
it.
gonna be nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Let me just check if the mushroom is.
I think that's ready, honey.
It's not salty.
Oh, it's good. Is it not?
It's not at all.
No way.
Okay.
No way.
What's up with your finger? What is it doing in here?
Oh, that's good, honey.
Okay.
That's good.
I feel like it's not salty enough.
We can just add salt later if it's not.
Okay. I love the texture of the mushroom. I had to ask.
Perfect.
Add. So.
What? What's
here
that?
we are with the cream. This is a.
Oh, cream. We're gonna put cream in there.
It's for cooking. Cooking cream. Whatever. Whipping cream.
And then we're gonna put the salmon in there afterwards. Yeah. Nice. What after cheese? What else? Huh?
After cheese.
Is there any more?
Yes.
So you need to put more cheese then.
Yes, a lot if it's possible. Not just one, but it's looking good, no? Okay. Okay. No seeds.
Okay.
Cut a little bit.
Put the fish now. Nice. Oof. That looks good. And then we'll eat it with. Ta-da! What?
Let's cover this for a second, just to.
Let's go, Bernie.
Ta-da!
Nice. Let's go.
I'm cold.
You're cold? I got something for you. Sit down.
That's what I've been waiting.
No.
Oh, nice. I'm waiting for this all night. This cozy moment.
There's something else. Wow. Okay, we have to do this again, honey. I'm telling you.
What, at home?
Salmon is one of my favorite fish. I believe if we will use rice on this, it's not as good as this one.
You think so?
I think this is the perfect one.
Hey,
Look, our
should we-
pillows, Brittany.
Huh?
Our pillows.
Oh.
There you go.
Thank you.
Alright. This is our duvet.
I love the warm duvet.
Okay. We gotta sleep now.
Yeah.
Let's wake up now. Oh yeah, look at the sun. Okay, passing the chairs.
We have the sunshine this morning.
Good morning, Brittany. Good morning. You're
What?
opening it now. We're good.
That noise.
Do you want some grapes, Brittany? I'll get some water and then you wash the grapes. How about that? Do you like that idea? I'll do it. Okay, that's it. We're good. Huh? Okay, that's it.
Aww.
Oh, that's not bad.
It could have been better.
Could have been better. Oh, that's nice.
Where's the chocolate? It's stick to the side.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you like with the chocolate? Then let's put some chocolate then. Okay, put more chocolate in there. Bernie, I have an idea. Let's make some soup.
Oh, you gonna do breakfast
Okay, I
for me?
got a soup in here. Wait, let me just get that. This one. Okay, that's a soup. A soup. You want that?
Mm-hmm.
Let's boil some water and then
How much water should I put? What do you think?
It's quite few.
I think that's enough now.
I think no, that's more than that.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay. Put it in.
We should put even more water. It's truly gonna be like mac and cheese.
Oh, you're gonna put cheese in here?
Oh, I will. Oh, I will.
I think this one is. Oh, that's good. Some mushroom. Do you want some cheese on it? You said.
I wanted a lot of cheese.
Not too much. Just. This one is done. Where are we gonna put it, Brittany? In here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yours? Do you want me to put everything? Let's put everything. I think it can fit.
Maybe not just now.
It'll fit.
Okay.
It's true. Without the cheese.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh no.
Bon appetito.
Oui. £1. Something. And that's already a breakfast.
Yeah. Wow, the cheese. No?
Okay. Okay. That was it. Oh, you took that. Yeah.
That's it. It's gonna be easy sleep.
Okay. Okay, I'll take it out.
You gonna help me with this?
Okay. So how?
Is this how we fold it usually?
I think so. Okay, let's fix this.